Oh my god.
Alright, the car is connected. They're both getting in.
And it's front wheel drive.
And he's gonna accelerate. He's got tension.
There you go. There you go.
Oh! Never again. Let's see the high five. Let's see the gratitude. Does he get a hug or a high five? Nothing. Oh. Hold on. Oh man. Do you think he busted his radiator?
Hector.
Dude.
Man.
How are you, man?
Doing well.
Man, you missed it.
What? Did I?
A guy drove off the...
No, but wait.
Drove over the...
What's that?
Hey, Adam.
No.
You missed the show.
He's
He's got it on video. You're good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Wow. Like not even like.
Yeah. Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe you just called him and paid him. Maybe that's what's going on.
Maybe that's what's going on. I don't know, bro.